Hi there. Uncle Bill here. Just looking at the cicada. He's caught up in that golden orb weaver spider right there. Can't really get any closer. But if you look, that right there, folks. There's a river back there. It's a huge drop off. Probably just barely see it. So this is some kind of debris pile, and right across it, probably about 5 or 6 feet away, I was about to go to this little restaurant I'm next to and go check out the bugs. I've been watching this. That's a cicada. He's just been twirling and twirling and twirling and twirling and twirling and twirling, and the spider ain't gonna get him until he runs out of energy. And y'all know me, I like my spiders, and I don't normally interfere. But whoa, how strong that web is. That's a really big cicada. Huge. Oh, sucker right there. Damage to his wing. His wing might be damaged. Stuck to that branch. Oh, you know what? Let's see. There you go. Good now. Nope. Oh, stuck good. Oh, cicada bug. It was stuck in that spider web up there.
Oh man, he saved his little life.
Yeah, I took him out, but his wing, see how his wing is his wing is actually wrapped around.
Stuck with that web?
Yeah, let me see. I can't slightly pull that off. Help me out, buddy. Let's see. This way. There we go. There we go.
Good job.
All right.
Oh my goodness, he's stuck with the web.
Yes. So let's see if we can't remove the web from him. Hold on, buddy.
It's a strong web, my goodness.
Yeah. It's a golden silk orb weaver spider.
Oh.
So, I mean, that thing's just as strong as.
Web?
Yeah.
Lord.
No, that's even stronger. That's like cable. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Calm down. Lord have mercy. Oh, I really didn't want that to happen.
What's that? Him to get a hold of you?
Yeah, him touching me.
Oh my goodness, you picked him up.
Yeah, I know.
Holy cow. That is a strong freaking web.
Hold on, folks, put you down for a second. Should be good to go.
Oh. That is crazy. I thought you were flicking a snake out or something there for a minute.
All right, we're gonna see if he can fly.
Oh goodness.
Hope everybody's having a good day and staying safe. If you can, hit that like button. Share the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Peace. Ooh.